Hi students, first video for direct to indirect speech. It would be given under do as directed. 4 questions will be given. You have to select any 3 and each question carries 2 marks. So carefully you have to do the transformation without changing the meaning of the sentence. That's a basic rule. First one, rewrite the following dialogue in reported form. Reported speech is otherwise called as indirect speech. So in the question paper, they would give direct speech and you have to transform that into indirect speech. First thing is you have to identify what type of sentences is that. And accordingly, you have to make changes. There are 4 types of sentences. First one is statement, second one interrogative, third one imperative, and fourth one is exclamatory. So you have changes according to that. You have to change the reporting verb, you have to add conjunctions, you have to change the pronoun, first person to third person, and change of tenses. Many things you have to do. Let me check this. Taj, where are you going now? Harsha, I'm going to the library. Are you coming with me? Okay, we have 3 sentences here. Let's see how we are going to transform it. First one, you take it. Where are you going now? It's an interrogative type. In interrogative, you have 2 types. One is WH type, the other one is yes or no type. And this one is WH type. For WH question type, you have WH same question word as a conjunction. Okay, let me start. Taj is a speaker. It's a question. So reporting verb is asked. Taj asked Harsha. Same question word I am using here as a conjunction, that is where. Are you going now? Here only students make mistake. In direct speech you have the verb first and then the noun. In indirect speech you have to have noun and then the verb. Okay, so you comes this side, are goes the other side. You is the second person and second person should be changed into third person. Got it? So where you is changed into he. Are going is present continuous tense. That should be changed into past continuous tense, that is was going. And now, keyword for now is then. And you should not use any other ending mark except full stop here. So, Taj asked Harsha where he was going then. Harsha replied, and it is a statement. I am going to the library. So the conjunction for statement is that. I am going. I first person is changed into third person. He. I am going. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense, was going to the library. Okay. And inquired whether, inquired. Otherwise you can add added also. Okay. And inquired, are you coming with me is yes or no type. So yes or no type, what is a conjunction you can use? You have 2 conjunctions, if or whether. Any one you can use. So they had used here whether. You comes out, are goes in. So you is second person. Again, according to the gender, we convert you into he. Are coming is changed into past continuous tense, that is was coming with. Me is changed into her. That's it. Now perfect. Check now whether you check the reporting verb, added conjunction, first person into third person, change of tenses and keywords. Perfect. Your 2 marks is ready. And the next question, rewrite the following sentence in its passive form. It's very simple. Khalil wrote a letter to the editor. First one, in this active and passive voice, you have to identify the verb. Which is verb here? Wrote. What is the tense present there? Past tense, right? So accordingly, you're going to make some changes. Okay. So who wrote a letter? Khalil wrote a letter. So Khalil is the subject. What did Khalil do? He wrote. What did he write? A letter. So letter is an object. Okay. So in passive form, you exchange the places of subject and the object. So you bring in a letter to the editor. Wrote is past tense, so you have to use was, and that should be followed by V3, was written, and you have to use the preposition by and then the subject. a letter to the editor was written by Khalil. If it is, for example, Khalil writes a letter to the editor, how do you change it? Writes is present tense. So, was written will be changed into is written. Got it, all of you? Hope you got it. Now, 4 marks ready. Catch you again with the next question. Hope you understood. Any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment box. I would explain it again. Thank you.